Hopefully you can hear me, because this is what commitment looks like. Like, fight until you cannot fight anymore. Dig down and get it. And if we're alive and well, we have no excuses. Listen to this story. What is your name, baby?
Pam AR,
Pam, and Pam is a nurse. Where do you work?
and we help care.
And tell me about your two people.
Two co-workers. I have two co-workers who have gone to God. Kim Ball and Alice, they were both laboring nurses. Those two, one started out with breast cancer, the other started out with uterine cancer. Kim Ball, my biggest inspiration, worked up until a week before she died. She worked, she never complained. She said, baby, if I can come in and move, keep it moving one day, and she did it up until she went to the Lord. And Alice, another labor worker, came in as she got diagnosed, had chemo, and they took organ after organ. Alice worked until she couldn't do it anymore, so we finally told her don't take anything else, and she went to be with the Lord about 2 years ago as well. And both of them inspirations to people who never complained and came in, and when they tell you you can't work with disability, these ladies were there.
Wow. I'm so inspired by that. Just, we don't have any excuses. These women worked until they went back to be with the Lord. Literally. Bro. But they're good spirits, and they were here with us now. So thank you, Alice. Thank you, Kim. Thank you to all the survivors who are here and who've gone to survive with God. Thank you.